This journey wasn't easy, from being APLA positive to going through all the pains and injections and all that stuff. But it's touch wood going so smooth that I don't even realize that I have this. I have become so strong. The pains have reduced. They are there, but are manageable. Maybe because I'm stronger here now. The pains have healed. My mind has become stronger. And like you asked me to pray, that, just pray that your body is healing. It is getting fine. It is preparing you. So all those prayers, all those affirmations, they make you so strong कि आपको कोई दर्द भी हो रहा होगा ना तो आपको लगता है कि it's okay, it's fine. It makes you look towards the brighter side of this pregnancy. And see, trust me, in my previous pregnancy, I was in pajamas all the time. I was because I was a very saddened girl, right? Very depressed and this pregnancy, I'm up and about. I am energetic. I'm enjoying it. I've done all makeup and all that stuff. I'm all dressed up. I'm literally enjoying it. I want to live I want to live each and every single moment in a very joyous manner, not like a very like I was. Yes. So that's a big transformation for me.
Absolutely. I remember you said you haven't clicked a single picture of yours.
Right. So, no pregnancy pictures I had.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yes, and I think that's beautiful. So one more thing that
from that who's always clicking pictures now.
Wow. Beautiful. So one more thing that I gauged from the conversation is that this program did not only affect your relationship with the baby, but yours, your husband, and your baby. So it's about the family bonding.
Yeah,
so that's a beautiful thing. So generally,
all the affirmations like you taught us, for even thanking the child, for choosing us as your parents. Me and my husband have made it a practice that every night we keep hand on the womb and we say, thank you for choosing us as your parents. Every single night. It is our routine that we do it. And it has made my husband's bond even stronger than mine with the child.
Wow.
So I think we three are so connected right now that nothing can break us.
Beautiful. That's beautiful. And that's absolutely amazing. And this is actually the truth that even fathers can really bond with their children if they are willing to. So mostly what happens is the fathers are a little, they don't feel that it's possible, or they are a little reluctant. They say, okay, tum karo.
Right.
But this is absolutely priceless and beautiful that you three as a family have bonded and having a great time and enjoying this pregnancy journey. So that's super.
All thanks to you. Sachi.
Thank you. So
means a lot to me because you've given me the strength that I needed.
But it was God's will. It was your child's will. So okay. So now, tell any experience that that you thought was very transformative and you want to share, like about your cravings that you had, or maybe the energy during pregnancy that you thought has really transformed.
So as I was telling you that I was one lazy girl. I used to wake up by 9:30, take shower by 11, and then start my day. And now I'm one girl who wakes up at 5. I do jap, I do meditation, I do walk. 5:30 sharp, I do half an hour walk, and then I do my stretching exercises and all the yoga poses that I'm allowed to do. And and by 10 o'clock, I think I have had my breakfast. I have done all the chores that I was supposed to do. And see, I'm sitting here attending this session.
All energetic.
And, all energetic. I am up since 5 a.m. And I never thought I could do it. Frankly, it's been almost 2.5 years since I have been married, and this has been my constant routine. I wake up at 9:30. I have my breakfast, take a shower by 11. And in pregnancy, when I conceived, I got lazier. Initially, I got lazier, right? And I never thought that after this program, I would be, this is like a role reversal for me. Waking up at 5, and doing all these things. और 10 बजे तक मैं अपनी जब ब्रेकफास्ट टेबल पे बाहर बैठे होते हैं सब मुझे ऐसे देख रहे होते हैं इसको क्या हो गया, you know, because
full of energy, full of life.
full of yeah, exactly. One person who used to bathe after 11, वो नहा धो के ब्रेकफास्ट करके 10 o'clock, I am at my full role reversal for me, and I am very happy with this because this is the energy that I needed because of my brother-in-law's wedding also. And I have been up and about shopping from, like, me and my mother-in-law, we leave home at 12, we come back by 5 or 6. This may I take my munching goodies along and stuff, and I come back, I don't even lie down on the bed.
Wow.
And I am really stunned with myself. Trust me, it's not me. I need bed time. I need to lie down because I'm, tired very easily, exhausted very easily. And now I don't know where this energy is coming from. I am super excited. I am doing all the decor. I am doing all the jewelry. I am doing all the kapras.
Super.
And I am like full of energy. And it is coming from somewhere.
It is coming from what you're doing.
Yeah, from the see,
work.
Abhi also when I get tired now, I have like you advised, when you get tired, just sit, do a little pranayam. This is what I have been doing from past 1 week very regularly the moment I get tired. So the moment I do that pranayam, वो energy level वापस आ जाता है. And then I am again up and about and I go and do my rest of the task.
Beautiful.
So मैं अपने आप से expect नहीं कर सकती हूँ ये सब कि ये मैं कर रही हूँ. But I'm doing it and I'm very happily doing it.
And you're doing it in your 7th month and you're almost about to enter your 8th month.
Yeah.
That's absolutely commendable, and that's that's exactly what I'm trying to say. This is possible.
See, till you experience it ना, आप तब तक उस पे believe नहीं कर सकते कि is it possible? Can I do it?
Yes.
But once you do it, and then you realize that this is something,
yes,
and it's achievable.
It's achievable. It's doable. So if a girl who like you, who's been lazy all throughout and can do it, then I think everybody can do it, right? It's a matter of experience, trying it out and experiencing it yourself.
Exactly.
And then you won't leave it for sure.
No, there's no going back. Even if you want to leave it, your baby won't let you leave it. Because it will get so used to of your beautiful lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, that it will make sure that mama wakes up at 5 and goes for a walk and all that your baby will start alarming you for a lot of things, and it will keep you high on energy.
Yes, and everybody around you can notice that energy.
Yeah.
In you, like
See, थोड़ी देर पहले मेरे mother-in-law के words were like, okay बेटा कोई बात नहीं तुम बैठो because you will get tired, and now my mother-in-law is हाँ चलो सना चले. So the words have completely changed because she saw me, I was all lazy and I was like, no mama, I can't go, I can't do this, I get tired. And now she has seen this transformation in me, and she herself only comes up to me and says chal sana chalte.
Yeah, so see, so pregnancy, as I say, like a popular concept that goes around the social media and the Insta and the Facebook, that pregnancy is difficult, pregnancy is is you're lethargic, you're tired. So this whole thing is not true. There's another side to it. There's a whole new different way of looking at pregnancy, and and that's exactly what we're trying to say. So I always say learn the art of pregnancy. And if you learn that art, you are energetic. You were able to overcome your cravings. So do you think you have cravings now? No.
I had coffee cravings. I had chocolate cravings. I had a lot of meetha sweet cravings, and then you asked me to eat gur shakkar, gur chana, and all those stuff. I have kept them by my bedside all the time. And once you start munching on the chanas, they don't make you hungry also.
Yes.
And उसका एक बड़ा limited होता है कि आप वो इतना ही खा सकते हो. You just can't hog on them. So I think the cravings were, even if I had those chota cravings, they were switched to healthier options. And once you have
the craving to eat more, I'm sure pehle bahut zyada you might be feeling, hunger pangs all the time. So
now I don't feel hungry at all. I take my good meals, and I can stay without food for a longer span of time. And there was a time where I used to have like no, maybe it's more, seven meals a day or 8 meals a day, because I was very hungry all the time. I then मेरे को तो अभी जा भी रहा है तो प्लीज मेरे लिए कुछ खाने के लिए बना के चला जा, because मुझे नहीं पता है कि मुझे पीछे से भूख लग जानी है. And now there's a time when I can not eat for good 3-4 hours or even more, and I am full of energy. It doesn't affect my energy. I'm all happy, I'm all energetic, and it doesn't affect my body anymore.
So that this is also pregnancy. This is also, this is the absolute other side of pregnancy, where you're happy, energetic, all blissful and all excited. So this is a very different perspective of looking at pregnancy, and that's possible, is what Sana and everybody else in the program will tell you, that it is possible. And it's not difficult, because women come to me subah 5 baje, I cannot wake up, and meditation I will not be able to do it, but it's the whole thing, I would say, is planned in a way it's so gradual that you don't even realize that you're getting into the whole system so easily.
And once you do it, no going back.
Perfect.
Yeah, because once you start waking up at 5 and you start meditating it, you will love the experience, that you won't feel like not doing it. Rather, you will feel like doing it more often.
Beautiful. Brilliant. So, no, I'm really happy and I'm really thankful to you for sharing this beautiful experience of yours. And
I am thankful to you for, making me experience such lovely stuff, amazing transformation that I've had.
I'm humbled, and that's exactly, that's the mission, to make every woman, feel that power inside of her. Pregnancy is you've realized that it's a very powerful period.
Right.
And it's such a paradox from where we start, from where probably I would say where you started, and most women start from a place of anxiety, fear, and to what you have come to. So this is a very big, stark change, and this is the paradox that exists. Pregnancy is such a powerful state of being, but when we get pregnant, we are all in this space of anxiety, of fear and stuff, and so the whole idea is to make every woman feel empowered about their own or their power to create the child. So I think the biggest changes that I have seen in you and everybody else is that, this whole idea that pregnancy is not about just bearing a child, it's about creating a child.
Right.
And when that mind shift, this
True.
shift in the mindset happens, the magic starts to happen.
True.
So agree?
Agree, 100%. I have seen that change in me, and if I can do it, anybody can. Because I was full of anxiety. I remember you used to call me Chintamani.
Absolutely, from a Chintamani to an absolutely, smiling, blissful, joyful person. And the transformation has been very quick. So it hasn't taken too long. What?
Because constantly, you made sure that the Chintamani tag is just eliminated from me, and I become like this happy-go-lucky person.
Yeah.
So
that's all. I think it was all destined to be. I've just been a medium, is all I can say. But thank you so much for sharing your beautiful experiences and your beautiful story.
Thank you so much.
So
thank you so much for making me experience this whole thing. Trust me.
And the magic is yet to come, is all I can say.
I'm dying to see it. I'm really excited.
Yes. So is there anything that you would want to share?
So I personally feel that all these pregnancy blues and all that stuff is not true. You won't, if you trust yourself, and if you start connecting with your child, and with connecting, being in sync with your whole body and mind, you will feel that ये time ऐसे निकल गया है, मुझे पता नहीं चला है how my these 7 months went. See, first 3 months we have to be very careful and all that stuff, right? Second trimester and this I'm on my third trimester, मुझे नहीं पता लगा है कि how this time went, because it went so smoothly and so happily, and all the fears and all the anxiety that I've had was all eliminated. So I would really, really advise anyone who is, who is on this journey or is planning to get through this journey, just let her work on you. Surrender yourself, let her work on you. Once she starts working on you, you will feel that it all happens like flawlessly. You don't have to put any effort. See, सुबह उठना एक दो दिन का effort लगता है, but trust me, third day you will wake up yourself. 2 दिन, that's all it took. 2 days, and third day I was up on by myself, meditating, jogging, exercising, everything. So let her work on you. Just you're in safe hands. You are in absolute safe hands. So just go ahead. This journey is beautiful.
Thank you, Sana, because coming from Sana it means a lot. Why? Because we haven't really talked about it, but your pregnancy has not been very easy. So it is not like a problem-free pregnancy, but it has given her the courage to deal with it. So your pelvic girdle pain and your condition of autoimmune, and you're on blood thinners, and it is quite a painful thing having those injections done almost every month. Monthly is
every day.
Every day is it? So so I mean, it's not something. It's not like a normal pregnancy where everything is perfect, and and it's easy to say that you can. I'm happy. I'm joyful.
Yeah. No. Right.
Yes. So it is not. Right. It is not a very straightforward pregnancy. It is definitely has its own complications. I would not say complications, but a little challenges.
Little precious pregnancy.
Yes. But now it doesn't bother you, and that's the beauty of it.
Yeah.
That's the beauty of it, that you didn't even talk about them all throughout
all
throughout this conversation. You didn't even talk about them, and I remember that when you had joined this program, you were quite in pain.
Yeah,
the pelvic girdle pain was palpable. It was something real, and this.
Yeah.
And in fact, your child even the story that you shared with us, that the child woke up all throughout night, was because you had those injections. Sometimes,
right.
So it is not a very straightforward, very healthy pregnancy. But the beauty of this program is that, look, the mother doesn't even remember that's part of the journey.
Yeah. Right.
So it's so,
because it makes you look towards the brighter side of this pregnancy instead of looking towards like, koi baat nahi, it's okay,
little things.
Yeah. And better things are coming ahead.
Yeah, and absolutely. And I think it made things bearable, or your pelvic pain has also gotten better.
Yeah, a lot better. Though this pelvic girdle pain is going to stay till my delivery, since the baby's weight keeps on increasing and starts pushing it. But it has made me stronger from within, that I can bear it, and I'm happy. And what usually the girls with pelvic girdle pains, they're not very active. They cannot, because it's hurting every time you take a turn or the transition. It hurts because it's severe. But this, I have become so strong. The pains have reduced. They are there, but are manageable. Maybe because I'm stronger here now. I'm not thinking about what is happening. Oh, it will hurt or it will pain. But my mind has become way stronger, that it's okay. It's fine. It's bearable. I have another 2 months to go. That's it. Itna sa milestone aur hai, and then we are sorted. So the pains have healed. My mind has become stronger. And like you asked me to pray, that just pray that your body is healing. It is getting fine. It is preparing you. So all those prayers, all those affirmations, they make you so strong कि आपको कोई दर्द भी हो रहा होगा ना, तो आपको लगता है कि it's okay, it's fine, I can bear it.
It didn't even cross your mind. So that was the beauty of this. So I think all throughout this conversation, it didn't even cross your mind. You didn't even mention about it. I think that is the magic. That's the magic. So that's absolutely, that's a beautiful.
Agreed.
No, absolutely, Sana. Your journey till now is truly inspirational. And it's just the beginning. And I'm sure once you deliver, people around are going to come and ask for your stories, and you'll have brilliant, happy, positive pregnancy stories to tell.
Definitely,
and that is
definitely.
what is missing, I think, in this world, because nobody told us positive stories,
No, right,
and and they aren't available on the internet. That's not
right,
trending. So this
right.
beautiful, so this aspect of pregnancy blues, that it is not true. You're an epitome
Hmm.
of this, because had it been true, then you had all the reasons. You had all the reasons
Yeah,
to.
right. Agreed.
So
So because this wasn't easy for me. This journey wasn't easy from being APLA positive to going through all the pains and injections and all that stuff. But it's touch wood going so smooth that I don't even realize that I have this.
that's the beauty. That's and
Yeah.
all credits to you. And
No, I would rather say all credits to you that you have made me like this, what I am today. If you're seeing this big smile on my face today, it's thanks to you.
no, I have just shown you the way. I have pushed you through like a mentor, but it is ultimately you who's done it, who wanted to do it for yourself and for your baby. So you're the hero,
Thank you.
and
Thank you.
you're an inspirational story. And the
Thank you so
story
much.
is gonna get even more magical. I'm just waiting for for few more months to cross, and
Right.
so it's gonna be magical. So thank you so much, Sana, for sharing all your stories with all
My
the open
pleasure.
heart, and thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you. And if I can inspire even like a percent of the women out there, it's going to be an achievement. Because if I can, anybody can.
Yeah.
And you are amazing. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh.
Seriously, this means so much to me. And अभी जब सब पूरा रिवाइव करा ना पूरा वो अपने पास्ट 5-6 months तो जाके रियलाइज हुआ कि how beautiful the things have been and those little things, this whole
You've
revision,
grown.
this was
How,
meant.
how
Yeah,
you have grown in this journey.
yeah, exactly how I have grown and
Hmm.
how smooth it from being a bumpy ride switching to a smooth ride and in such a convenient manner. So yeah, it has been amazing.
Beautiful, Sanad. Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much.